Well, like I said, if you don't want to deal with it, then just keep doing what you're doing and you'll achieve the same thing. And if that is just a paycheck at the end of 2 weeks that gets dropped into your account so you can pay the gas bill and you can pay the light bill and you can pay the mortgage and you can pay the tuition and you can pay the student loan and all that crap, then God bless you. But if you're thinking you want to actually change shit up a little bit, you want to become the person that, you can be. And again, I'm not saying you got to become some alpha male or some alpha female or whatever the hell. You just have to do what's right for you in order to achieve the success you're looking to achieve. So now I'm talking to the people that really want to achieve some success. Because we just threw the rest of those people, all the other people, we just dissected this in half. In fact, we dissected this down to about 90%.
Cool.
That 90% of the people out there are not going to do a damn thing different.